May tanong may sagot kay Atty. Maymay, and this is actually a follow-up question sa nauna kong video about a child being allowed to change his surname from that of his father to that of his mother. So ang tanong po ay magkano ang estimated na magagastos na magpatanggal ng apelyido ng tatay? Or simply put, magkano ang magagastos para mapayagan ang bata na magpalit ng apelyido? Sagutin po natin yung tanong. So, first of all, this requires a court case for change of surname before the Regional Trial Court. And base sa Supreme Court Judiciary e-payment system, ang filing fees po para sa ganitong klaseng kaso ay aabot ng halos 2,500 pesos. So, it's 2,400 plus, almost 2,500. But apart from that, please understand na since a change of surname requires a court case, may mga ibang magagastos pa rin po kung sakali. And from this point onwards, let's talk about estimated expenses. So, bukod sa filing fees, kinakailangan po ninyo na magsumite bilang ebidensya ng mga certified copies ng mga documents like birth certificate ng bata, birth certificate ng nanay, or even baptismal certificate and NBI clearances or other certifications. And for this, per certified copies of birth certificates, that costs around 300 pesos. For the other certificates, they are estimated to cost around 200 pesos up. So expect more than 1,000 pesos for all these sorts of certifications to be attached to the petition for change of surname. And dahil nga sa court case, ang pinag-uusapan dito, kakailanganin po ng lawyer ukol sa paglilitis sa kasong change of surname. And kung PAW po o galing sa Public Attorney's Office ang lawyer ninyo, wala pong babayaran na fees doon sa lawyer. Subalit kung kayo po ay kukuha ng private lawyer, depende po sa lawyer ninyo, depending po sa prevailing rates sa lugar kung saan naroroon po yung lawyer ninyo, you may be required to pay acceptance fees ranging from 30 to 50,000 pesos pataas. And bukod dyan, you may also be required to pay for appearance fees of the lawyer per hearing, which may range between 3,000 to 5,000 pesos or even up. So, depende po sa lugar yan, depende po sa lawyer. So, upang makatiyak po kung magkano po talaga ang babayaran sa lawyer, you need to talk to the lawyer na kukunin ninyo na mag-handle ng kasong ganito para sa inyo. In addition to filing fees na kailangang bayaran sa korte, you may also be required to pay for publication fees. So, publication fees po, ito po yung babayaran sa dyaryo na maglalathala ng petition for change of surname ninyo. And depende doon sa dyaryo na itatalaga ng hukuman na magpapublish ng petition for change of surname, this can also range from 5,000 up. No? So, I'm not sure that's an estimate. Again, except for the filing fees, yung mga iba pong mga gastusin dito ay base lamang po sa estimate ko, no? Actually, pwede pong mabago yung actual na magagastos sa ganitong mga klaseng kaso. Depende po sa abogado na kukunin ninyo, depende po sa dyaryo na maglalathala ng petition and other incidental expenses. Maraming salamat po, sana'y naliwanagan kayo and watch out for my other videos.